if you want to record your mobile screen and edit it in a professional way, then you are on the right place. I'm going to show you the easiest step-by-step process to do that. So let's start. I also want to request you guys, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe to help and support. Okay, so to these things we need to do two things. First, to record your mobile screen by using any Android recording software. In my case, I am using AZ Screen Recorder, which is free, available on Google Play. You can download that free of charge and you can record your Android screen. And the next step is to edit it. You can use any recording software. In my case, I'm using Camtasia, which is available for free to try, so that's good. So after doing these two things, you need to record a screen on your mobile and then transfer that file to your computer so that we can edit that. So in computer we have this software called Camtasia, which I'm using, which is free to trial. You need to import those screen recording as I've done it here. I can import that into my clip bin. In the left hand side, this area I have all my files, like audio files, video files, and the pictures. And in the bottom we have a timeline where I can drag and drop my files and edit them. On the right hand side, this is a preview section where I can see what's going on. So I need to import a couple of more files. One is the background. You can use a background which can look better, and also a frame for that screen recording. Any mobile frame you can make your own, or either you can download it from Google. There are so many available online, so you can just Google it, mobile frames, and it can comes up. So I need to import the background and also a mobile frame. So let me bring the background and then I'll bring the mobile frame as well. So the next step is to import a background first onto my track. I can put on any track. I can put on track 3. Okay, and then I'll just make it a little bit bigger so that my file, my video file will be longer, so I can make it a little bit longer. And after I have dragged the background on my timeline, I have to bring mobile screen recording as well, which I have recorded on my mobile, so I can put that into a new timeline so that it can come on the top. Let me adjust that and then fix it accordingly. So I have to move this background same as my screen, or rather I can make it bigger depending on my duration of the video. So as you can see that I have my screen on the right hand side, my mobile screen on top of the background, so I can adjust the size accordingly. I can make it a little bit smaller. I can move it around in the screen wherever I like it. And also I would like to make the background same as my movie size, so I have to adjust the size accordingly. And you can see that's done. And now I need to bring the mobile frame so that it looks professional. So I have to drag it on to the track 5. So it's good to keep the tracks separate so that you know that which track is which. So now you can see on the right hand side that the frame is a little bit bigger than the actual footage, actual screen recording. So I have to adjust the size accordingly. So I can just drag it here. For example, if I were to put this put my recording here, I have to move around and make it adjustment. If you can't see properly, you can adjust the size of your screen, and then you can make it a little bit smaller. You can make it a bit down. From the bottom you can adjust the size as well. So now it looks much better. If I play my video, you can see the mobile looks a real mobile, and the screen, you can see that screen will start playing the video, and it's working now. It looks professional. See, it's working, the screen that I've recorded on my mobile, and it's working really good. So this is so simple and easy to make a screen recording, and then you can edit it into any editing software on your mobile. You just need simple steps. First is the mobile frame, then the screen recording, and any background which suits you. So thank you very much for watching my video. I will make more videos related to tech, and please do subscribe, share and like my video, and see you in the next tutorial. Thank you. Bye.